Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, I will show you how you can edit your post and how you can add a featured image and how you can add a image. So to see all your post, just hover over post and then click on all post. And here is our post. We can click on edit to edit this post. So click on edit. And now we are going to add a image. And I want to add a image here. Yeah, here. So just hit enter and then click on this plus icon to add a block and then click on this image one. And here you have three options. You have the upload option, you have the media library option, and you have the insert from URL option. If you want to insert some image from some URL, you can click on this one. And if you have already uploaded all your image through the media option, then you can click on this media library and then you can select from the already uploaded image. But I have not uploaded any image, so I will click on this upload button. And here you need to upload your image. So I will go to my pictures folder and I will select this one. Okay, so here is my image. If you want to add some alternate text, you can click on this image and you can add some caption, you can add alternate text, you can add some border radius like this or like this. You can do all that good stuff. You can change the style of the image. If you want a round image, then you can click on this rounded option in the style area. If you want to add an alternative text, then you can add that here, and I actually recommend you to add an alternative text on all of your images because this will help you with search engine optimization. Okay, so make sure that you add some alternate text. I will just write Android here. And if you want to change the width and the height of your image, you can do all of that stuff here in the image dimension area. You can change the size by percentage, you can change the width by pixel, you can do all that good stuff. I'm not going to do, I actually like it. So I will just scroll up and then I will click on the update button here. And my site has been updated, so I will click on view post here. And here is my image, and I actually love this image. And now my post is looking better. So again, I will click on this edit post option here, and this will take me to the edit page of this post. If you want to add more images, you can do that as well. You can click wherever you want to add an image, and then you can click on this add block, and then you can click on the image option. I will add one more image because I want to show you the difference between a featured image and a normal image. So I will choose this one and then I will click on open, and I will make it rounded and no border because it is already rounded, so border radius is not going to work on this style. It only works on the default option. And no alternative image, but I actually recommend you to always write some alternative text on your image. It is very important. It will help you with search engine optimization. Okay, so I will click on update and then I will go to this post option here, and now I will show you how you can add a featured image. So to add a featured image, just go to this option, go to post, and then scroll down and then click on set featured image. You can add a featured image from the media library, or you can upload a new file, and I will upload a new file. I will click on select files and I will choose this one, and I will click on set featured image, and my featured image is set. If you want to replace it, then you can click on this replace image. If you want to remove it, you can click on the remove featured image, but I'm not going to do that. And now I will click on the update button and then I will click on view post. And here is something very interesting. I will show you the difference between a normal image and a featured image. Okay, so this is your featured image and this is your normal image. Okay, so what is the difference? Well, the difference is that your featured image will always be at the very top. Okay, it is like a covered image. It is like the cover of your blog post. If you are writing a book, then you have a cover for the book. So your featured image is just like the cover of your book. It is the cover of your blog post. Alright, and you can only have one featured image, whereas you can have many images. So this was the difference between the featured image and the normal image. The featured image is the cover of your blog post. You can have only one featured image, whereas you can have many number of images in your blog post. Okay, and your featured image will always be at the very top. Okay. Alright, so in this video I taught you how to add a featured image, how to add an image, and what is the difference between a featured image and an image, and that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to talk about categories. So all of that coming up in the next video. Till then, bye.